office in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, northeastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, until 8:15 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Blanchardville, Hallandale, Mount Vernon and Yellowstone Lake State Park. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.